How to find privacy settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find privacy settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it, and then just scroll down until you find here this one, privacy settings. And as you see here, you can manage your privacy on Deezer, or you can make your profile private. Just manage anything you want, and then you can go back, and that's it. And that's how to find privacy settings on Deezer. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.